Last night, we saw the presidential debate, and the biggest moment, in my opinion, during this 2024 presidential debate was when Donald Trump said this.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there.
Now, it blew my mind because I had no idea people were doing this in Ohio. So just like everyone else, I was curious, do people really eat animals, especially cats, in Ohio? Luckily, there was a YouTuber who legit released this video right after the election, and here is the answer that you all have been waiting for. Roll it.
Is it true that the Haitians are eating the neighbor's cats?
Oh,
No? Información falso?
ouais, on va connaître ça.
Okay.
So